So here's a fun video for today. I was making some more door decor for our soccer travel team. These are a couple of the ones that I've made previously, but this time I decided to try and use things that weren't off the shelf, right? So I was using only cut vinyl with my Cricut and some additional supplies. I tried this time, instead of using wood as the background, I used these cake boards. So we'll talk about that in a minute. Adhesive vinyl, ribbon, pipe cleaners, hot glue, glue sticks, command strips to put them on the wall. So we'll go through a little bit step by step. So these are the cake boards that I used. I actually wouldn't recommend these because they're grease proof, and what that means is that nothing's supposed to stick to it, which also means the vinyl doesn't want to stick to it. So I was able to make it work, but if you don't have a lot of patience, this is definitely not the route you want to go. Would I use them again? They're a lot less expensive, so I might suffer through it, but not 100% sure. So like I said, they were really difficult. I was doing this in my car because I'm always in my car for soccer practice. It literally took me maybe an hour and a half to do 18 of them. No, 16 of them. Yeah, it took a long time. Anyway, so the other thing I did was I cut out numbers, and with my silhouette, this font was a number font with a monogram, and in my on my website I have a link to the exact files that I used. And then I also did an offset with it, and I've got the measurements for that on the website as well. So our colors are blue with a little accent of yellow. So that's why I went with these colors right here. Basically, I just layered them on top of each other. You can see them on the side there. They're ready to go. Another note about the cake boards with the soccer vinyl, because they don't want to go on real well, it was not perfect by any means. There was, on every single one of them, there was a portion of it that just didn't stick right. So that's where I ended up putting the bow. So just a little note: if you use the cake boards and you mess it up, don't worry, you can cover it up. So between the numbers and the bow, you got it covered. So from here, I just did little black discs, and for the ECNL logo, I just found it online, did a trace in my Silhouette software and cut that out. Then I used transfer tape to put the ECNL on top of the black circles. So if you have a Silhouette and you're doing vinyl, you know exactly what I'm talking about. From there, I went ahead and put the numbers down first on top of the soccer balls, and then I put the black circle. So then we get to the bows, and this is the part where everybody says, oh my gosh, I'm so terrible at bows. How do you make bows? So I cut all my pieces first. My ribbons are 6 inches long, and I use 4 different colors of ribbon. The ribbon that I use, the back ribbon is like a acetate ribbon. This ribbon you see right here is a grosgrain ribbon, and I trim the ends so that they don't fray. From there, I use some pipe cleaners. Those are cut to 3 inches each. And here you go, here's everything. To make these cute bows, first off, start by crisscrossing your widest ribbon. For me, I use the acetate in the back. That's basically like a homecoming ribbon, a homecoming mum ribbon. If you're from Texas, you know what I mean. So just make like a railroad sign with those, because that's going to be the background for your bows. From there, I took my grosgrain ribbon, and so the background ribbon's 1.5 inches, I think. The grosgrain, I think, is about 1 inch right here. And so I have one of each color, soccer ball and the yellow. And then on top of it, I wanted to bring in that ECNL logo color because that was different than the others. And so from there, I added a little 1/2 inch satin ribbon in the middle. It doesn't really matter what kind of ribbon you use. I do like the acetate ribbon for the back because it seems to stand up and hold its shape a little bit better, but you could use wired ribbon, you could use whatever. The other reason why I like the poly ribbon on the back is it's a whole lot cheaper. So after you get your little stack here, you're just going to pinch it with your fingers. That's all you're going to do. Just pinch it with your fingers, and then wrap a pipe cleaner around it and twist it in the back. So like twist it like you're closing a bread bag. Twist it and stick it in the back and flatten it out to where you can't see the little edges of the pipe cleaner. From there, you're going to take another piece of the teal ribbon. In my case, this is the satin ribbon. I do cut that ribbon a little bit shorter. I should say that. This one is probably 5 inches. And so I cut 2 pieces of the 5-inch satin ribbon. For these, loop it around the back and tie it in the front because you want to cover up that pipe cleaner. So you're just, I don't even make it a knot. I just cinch it one time and it seems to stick really well. Once you're done making your little bow bundle, they're really secure, then you just take your hot glue gun and put a little dab at the top of the soccer ball and you're done. That part goes super duper quick. And so from there, I put the command strips on the back so that the girls, all they have to do is pull off the little bit that goes against the door. So you can see the black and white bits right there. And then they stick it on the door and it's real easy for them to take it off so they can take it home. A lot of them stick it on their wall when they get home. So that's it. This is how it looks on the hotel door. Super fun. And because they're so lightweight, the poster strips from Command are perfect for this. And here's our whole team with all their numbers. So I like this one the best of all the ones that I've made. I kind of held off on doing something completely with a silhouette in case other people wanted to try it, because not everybody has a silhouette. But I just love the way that these turned out. And I was afraid that they would be maybe a little bit too thick with all those layers of vinyl, but they absolutely were not. They looked amazing. So hope you try it.